Designing a power system isn't just about drawing lines, it's about ensuring safety and efficiency before the first wire is ever pulled. A single mistake in your load calculation can lead to equipment failure or worse, or complete system overload. This is a lightning layout. I'm going to show you how proper layouts and lightning and power cycles, and more importantly, how to automate your load schedule as your data stays accurate as your design evolve. This hereby is your socket layout. Whether you are on residence projects or an industrial plant, these are professional standards used to ensure the circuit is balanced. This next one I'm showing you is your distribution board. Everything on your three-phase distribution board here is what I'm showing you on here. Every phase, every connection, including the lightning, the socket, the AC, everything is what I'm showing you on here. Do you notice something else on this distribution board? That it shows the size of cable on every line, being the red, the yellow, green, and when it is coming from the grid. The next one I'll be showing you is the legend. Every symbol you see on here is implemented on the lightning layout, the socket layout. Both of them, it has been implemented on here. It has been used. The two gang switch security lights, one gang distribution board, everything represents what you have seen on the previous diagram.